Hi everybody, this is Sheila. Welcome back to the channel. I got an order in from Mary Maxim, so let's unbox it together. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Full disclosure before we open up the box, not all of this is going to be crochet yarn related. I can't remember exactly everything that I ordered because you know sometimes it takes a little while for Mary Maxim to get it out, and especially right now. With all of the stuff that's going on out there with shipping, it really is taking some time to get things to everybody. So there's going to be yarn related stuff, but there's also going to be some other crafting stuff as well. So if you're interested in the other crafting, I'll try to pull the yarn stuff out first for you guys, for you to see that. But yeah, so let's get going on that. So I think, I want to say that I ordered this like 3 weeks ago or something along those lines. And it was during that period when they were offering shipping, I think for like $4.99 or something like that, which, you know, for Mary Maxim, that's a good deal for shipping for $4.99. Okay, I'm going to set it over here and just pull out of it. So what do we got? So first up, of course, we got our invoice, but we don't really need to go through that. Let's see what I got. Oh yeah, this is the one where I got the free gift, and that is yarn related too. So yeah, I'll be pulling that out in a second. So I got a free gift in here as well, and a couple other crafty things. That's the invoice, and this is just some flyers, standard flyers that come with it. Ooh, I just saw that. I was just getting ready to toss that away. $5 off any order of $10 or more. So guys, if you're getting anything from Mary Maxim, look for that card. Because I would have just tossed that if I didn't notice that real quick just now. That's a good deal. I'm going to put that in my stash folder for sure. Let's see what else we got in here. So it looks like they stuffed the yarn right on the top. Ooh, this is soft. So I finally, oh my gosh, it's scrunched up. I got some of the Mary Maxim Prism. Look how kind of mangled it's come. Look at that colorway though. You dig in there, different colors. I got 1, 2, 3 of the same color. Let's look and see what I got. 100 grams, 3.5 ounce, 100% acrylic. These are $5.99, just FYI. 290 yards. It is made in China. Recommends, it is a size 3. It says 4mm knitting needles, but doesn't give a hook size. But for that, let's look at the size here, I'll show you. It says it's a 3. Man, is that stuff soft. Yeah, 3.5, 290 yards. This color is denim blues, and it is showing up true on the camera. So it's got the darker blues, lighter blues, and what I got it for was, wow, there is a lot of color in there. What I got it for is I wanted to make something. We just did that Mary Maxim, what was that, 2 or 3 months ago when we did that one item, or maybe it was last month, when we did the item with the Unforgettable. And so I wanted to see how the Prism compared to the Unforgettable, to see if it's comparable. And for softness, I'm going to tell you that it is. So I'll be working something up with that, and I'll get back with you on that. So I got 3 of those, but I just couldn't resist little socks. You don't need to see stuff like that. Let me see what else we got in here. That oh, I remember this. I have never done these before, and I wanted to purchase this. See that? It is a plastic canvas kit. I got a couple of them. They were like 12 bucks a piece, something like that. I'm going to open this one up because if you guys are interested in like plastic canvas stuff and you kind of wanted to know what's in it, let's see what it is. It's got the yarn kind of floating around at the bottom. I did see when I was looking at these that, oh yeah, the yarn is just floating around in there. That for like at Hobby Lobby You can get the plastic canvas for like $3 or $4, but then I got this whole kit at Mary Maxim for, like I said, for like 12 bucks. And it comes with the instructions, so it tells me how many yards of yarn are in here. I got a large plastic canvas, a small one, a needle, and a bone ring, as it says. So I have everything I need to make this, and it shows me how to do it. So I got one for myself, and then I got one for my daughter. Let's see if I can, yeah, they just dumped the yarn in there. I'm not feeling the needle, but you know what? I'm not gonna take your time. It's got, there's the ring. I see the little ring. And supposedly the needle's in there somewhere, because it says that oh, there it is, way at the bottom. Yeah, so I'm gonna be working on that, just because I've never done one of these little plastic, and I saw that when, what was that, Hirschner's was sending that out to people, and I got curious about what the plastic canvas was, and so I bought not only one, I bought two, because I wanted to send one to my daughter and see if she's interested. Ooh, the free gift, the free gift, the free gift. Here's the free gift. Okay. Because I spent over, sorry about the crinkling, $49, they gave me a free gift. They gave me this paisley bag. I'm going to open it up. That is a lot of crinkling. Sorry, y'all. But I want to get it out and see how big it is. So this was a freebie. Wow. Look at this, guys. Definitely a yarn bag. Let's see if I can back up enough for you guys to see it. Look at that. No pockets on the outside. Has the little Mary Maxim label. It says it's regular $28.99. Nice handles. Let's look at the inside. Got a nice liner. Oh, let me back it up so you can see that. On the inside, and on this side over here, it has a nice zipper. Definitely would hold quite a bit of yarn in there. There's the zippered area right in there. So it has a nice zippered area for maybe hooks and things like that. I am looking at this thinking, the size, I am betting, let me grab some. Yeah, this could easily hold probably 6 skeins of yarn, is what I'm looking at. Here's a big one. There's a big one from, the supersized one from Michael's. So probably 3 or 4 of those. I mean, it looks like it would only hold 2, but I can see from my side it'd probably be 3 or 4 of those. So yeah, that's a pretty nice free gift that they gave. Yeah, and so for everybody else, just FYI, it's in their catalog. If you order, spend over $49, then you get this as a free gift. So that's pretty nice to get. So that's that. And then the last thing that I have in the box is not yarny related either. It's just a puzzle that I got. But anyway, so I'll pop up other unboxings that I've done from Mary Maxim and from other places at the end over here so you can see. But I got this stuff in the mail, and I thought, why not? I'll share it with you guys, because that way I could share stuff with you. And if you have any questions, comments, put them below, and I will chat with you again next time. Have a fantastic day.